Good evening everyone. I'm back here with the GTX connected to simulator. This idea was originally suggested to me by Saurabh Rastogi and Arvind on the RC India forum. So they suggested why not I connect the GTX to a simulator and fly in a virtual field till I go to the live field and see how it works. So what I've done here is that you see the PPM output. The PPM output has been connected to two wires. This is the Cat 5e cable. I chose it for that because it has a lot of good shielding proof. And this has been connected to a USB port to the wireless simulator, which goes into the USB port. Now for this video I will be using the Phoenix RC simulator, so that's just another cue that I'm not running it off a stock USB stick. So I'm going to mount the camera here. I hope you can clearly see everything. I'll try to fly. Please excuse my useless and botched landings and my stupid takeoffs, but I'll try my best. So here I go. I'll give it a full throttle. And here I am airborne, so the throttle reduced to almost 50, and you can see that this is the elevator input. So let me give some elevator input and show you how it feels like. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, I'm trying to fly with my left hand, so please excuse. And I'm totally disoriented right now. Okay, seems like, give me just a minute, let me stabilize this. So here you see I'm bringing it in, and so if you guys can really look at it. So here you see the elevator. I don't know if you guys can really look at it, but what I see is just amazing. And here is the rudder input on the other side. Okay, give me just a second, let me just see if I can zoom into the screen. You might not be able to see the joystick during that time, but I'll see if I can really zoom into the screen and show you what's going on. There you go. Better, I guess. So I'll try to keep the plane in the middle. Oops. And I don't know if you can see the joystick inputs, but here it goes. This is the joystick. This is the aileron. Okay, let's just bring it a little closer. And I'm going to try and fly inverted with this for a little while, and let's see how it goes. So here guys, I'm flying inverted, and what I do realize that the joystick has a little the controls are a little jerky. That's probably because the joystick that I've used, it was a very basic joystick. I just wanted to check out the prototype, so which is why I feel that I need to go with a better joystick, maybe a Sidewinder or maybe one from Logitech. Okay, so I'll try to bring it in for landing. Okay, you will have to really excuse my botched landing and my crappy landing. I'm really not good at that. Okay, sorry, oops, I crashed, so let me try again. I hope you understand this is the first time I'm flying on this thing, and I will still try to make it as smooth as possible. I might overshoot a little, but that should be okay, I feel. Okay, so here's the flare and there I am. This is the rudder input and just a little bit of throttle and I back on my strip. So hope you enjoyed that, and I will try to do this on the field. I still could not get the complete view of the joystick and the plane working together, so I'll try to do this with two cameras, maybe one looking at one viewing the joystick, the another one viewing the plane, and I could superimpose the images and do something of that sort to to give you guys a fairer idea. So that was it, and have a good night.